Hey guys, today I'll show you how you can see archived chats on Instagram. So let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your phone and tap on the messages icon at the top right corner to open your inbox. In some cases, when a chat is restricted or moved out of your main inbox, it will appear in the request section instead. To find these chats, look for the Requests option at the top of your messages screen and tap on it. This section shows conversations that are not in your main inbox. If a chat was moved here using the Restrict feature, you will be able to see it inside this folder. Once you open the Requests folder, scroll through the conversations and select the chat you want to view. Tap on the conversation and you can read the messages normally. If you want to move the chat back to your main inbox, simply open the conversation and choose the option to unrestrict or accept the request. After doing that, the chat will appear again in your regular message inbox. Using this method helps you access chats that were moved out of your main inbox and check messages that were previously hidden in the request section. That's it. I'll be back with more in the next video.